Hey you all, Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the south, more specifically Killen, Alabama. Even more specifically than that, I'm in front of Ark Mortis, the great haunted house. This is Tristan.
What's up, everyone?
He so graciously invited me out here to Killen to tour this wonderful haunted attraction. I think he's going to give me a little behind the scenes tour, then maybe we'll go in the proper way, get a few jump scares, and see where things work out from there. So follow us. Okay, so we got oh, and this is the command center here, so you know, know what's going on. So you're like, oh, yeah, send a zombie over here.
We have eyes in the sky if we ever have a problem.
You're like, quit touching that.
Exactly.
A nice little smiling TV.
So, you still have me? Just a slightly off-putting. It's that times 5 in here at night. Because I come through with a scent. It's called rotting decay.
Oh my gosh, that's awful.
So whenever people are walking through, they're not having it because it's just nasty and just grody.
Oh,
the actor in here, Zach, is fantastic in here, and he really sells it awesome.
The side of beef.
Yeah, nice little.
That doesn't look like it's properly refrigerated.
It's you know, soft serve, you know, whatever. And this is half a chick.
Half a chick.
Yeah.
Not a chicken, but a
human.
But like a lady.
And then there's a difference. As old and as simple as you can get. Look at all those animations. But as simple and as silly as it may seem, that is a perfect distraction for somebody who might be hiding off over there, you know, just behind the little metal cabinet over there, just enough for somebody to not notice that they're there.
See, this is cause you know, I'll be honest, haunted houses scare the crap out of me. Like, so I like try to like in my head think about like where the misdirection is, where the real, you know, it's, I try to find the formula.
Exactly, and they'll change it up every now and then. They have the freedom to do so, so you never know where it's going to come from.
Ah, jeez! Oh,
Isn't she sweet? Go back to your fort.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to handle this in the dark. I'm getting scared when you're just showing it to me.
100% authentic.
What? Oh.
Just closing doors.
Do you like in a haunted house? Do you like take the hinges and like try to get the oil off of it? Just
no. They're Tibetan creaking hinges. They're very expensive.
Really?
But that's definitely isopropyl compound elixir. So in other words, don't drink anything.
Don't. Yeah, I tend not to eat things I find in haunted houses.
You like the dentist?
Not particularly.
Well, you're going to love this room. This is one of my favorite rooms.
What's going on in here? We're skinning a human body in a bathroom.
A little bit of fun in there. A little mortician. This is our dental area.
Oh my God. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like haunted houses. Like this is beautiful, but it's like I would never be able to like appreciate all the little details and everything going on. Like the nasty teeth.
Hey, especially with the actors that are in here. All these tools are used tools.
These are genuine dental
tools. All these teeth
are
real teeth.
You have jars of real teeth.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. The dentist even has his diploma hanging up there and his bloody tools.
When you come through, you're going to enjoy this room.
I don't know about that.
Yeah.
Ah! Jeez, oh God! Oh no! I was looking at these dead babies.
He's a lot of fun.
Is he gonna keep doing it?
Yeah, until you walk past him, he's gonna keep on.
It's not a vital stop. So that's Dr.
Ah! What was that?
Push that button.
Is this just a... Oh! It shot air in my crotch! This is the waiting room.
This is the waiting room where you can sit in here and wait for eternity. Wait for healthcare to kick in or something along those lines.
Ever.
And this is another one of the rooms where we like to use air cannons.
Ah! Sorry.
We're used to it,
Compressed air is to me the scariest thing in the world. Now where are we?
Now, if you take a look out,
What's that?
that's just an old coyote.
That's real taxidermy.
Stuffed coyote. Yeah.
I think that's a. Is that a hyena maybe?
Hyena.
What's that thing up there?
This is Yoga. He's
Yoga?
our biggest animatronic we have.
What's he gonna do? Okay. Oh wow.
We like to take things that are unusable or are maybe distasteful in normal life and kind of try and turn it into something good.
Yeah.
That used to be an animal euthanasia chamber.
Oh no.
Yep. So we took that from the animal shelter because Vinny was over the animal shelter at the time whenever the law was passed that these were then illegal. And so we adopted it into our hands where it sat in the back for several years and we just couldn't figure out what to do with it. So whenever we came in and did the remodel of the mine shaft, I was like, man, that would be a really cool, like, core. Just sit down, watch a table, get visited by
Ah! The werewolf!
Grab some, all kinds of different shrubbery and foliage and everything, and planted a whole bunch of stuff. And
jeez!
our mother listens.
Is he gonna do it again?
No, we're
No,
past
we're
we're
past
past
this.
it.
Okay.
That's the last one.
Jeez. Oh my god.
so this is Peaches.
Peaches?
I like to tell the story because Peaches is another one of our oldest animatronics, and
Okay. Oh! Ah! Oh, God! You done? Go! Okay.
Helen
probably go off again.
Oh no! He just had his head ripped clean off. Well, not very clean, actually.
And then we're
Oh, is this gonna jump at me?
at the end. He's okay. He's not moving now.
Ah! That is the scariest thing that's ever happened. Okay, that wasn't that bad.
So it is.
Wait a minute, you were back there.
He's initially printed, maybe it was like, 1 day was off or a month was off, but
So these were made
for somebody.
for somebody, but then were messed up in 1955. So not too soon. So yeah, these were intended. Infant Hamel, 1913. Wow.
Previous one, I think.
You have an infant gravestone that's over 100 years old. All right, getting ready to head into the haunted house while it's functioning. Apparently, I'm going by myself. I wasn't aware of this arrangement until just now. But
We have a few tricks up our sleeves.
oh no tricks. So let's keep the rules. No jump scares, no use of darkness, and no air, no compressed air.
Run.
and that was scary. Don't leave me. I do believe in spooks. I do believe in spooks. I do believe in spooks. Ah, yeah, you're real. Oh, you're so freaking real. Don't jump scare me, bro.
Enjoy your stay with us.
I'm not staying, I'm just passing through.
That's what you
Oh, is that? Oh, jeez, don't be real.
real soon.
We're not lost.
This little buddy right here. Yeah, we're gonna make something good eat out of you, buddy. I'm gonna cut your toes off, make some pigs in a blanket. Yay! I can't read.
Can't read. I'll teach you to read if you stick with me.
Okay.
Ah!
You did not just jump in a shovel.
It was...
It's gonna make fun with you tonight. Watch out, there might be another rogue shovel. Once upon a time, we called it.
Why? Why? Oh. One woman show?
I'm so happy you're here. Pat, can you guess what my name is? Can you guess what my name is?
I know.
It's Happy!
Happy the Clown!
I love making people happy! Is there a smile on your face? Is there a smile on your face? I'd love to see a
Yes.
smile on your face. Because if not, I'll have to break it open!
Oh! Ah, what's that? That's genuinely scary! Oh, jeez, don't scare me.
Come in.
Okay. All right, sir, what are we?
You're not in charge anymore. It is I who is in charge. Get on your way.
Okay, we're just leaving? Okay, goodbye.
We're leaving. See you again soon. Goodbye.
Oh, there you are. Hey, how's it going?
Unsettling.
That is unsettling. What sort of nonsense is going on in here? Ah, where are your eyes? Oh, yes. No, don't say my name. Oh, you have teeth growing out of your face.
Look, you got this. I'll make sure you're good and stretch.
It's a funeral. Respectful, okay.
Mourn!
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry for your loss. That was not funny! Ah, jeez!
Bonus crematorium. I have half price blood services, half the body, half the price, half the friend, half the servants. All you have to do is kill them and give them to me!
Ah, don't skitter around on the floor! Jeez! Ah!
You look exactly like my other.
I don't look like he's got long.
His dimples.
A stipple. Oh, jeez! What even was that? Oh, he's in the swamp.
I thought you already heard this.
Oh, it's. Yeah. Oh, you're. All right.
You don't want to stay?
Not really. No.
Many places to go, baby.
Jeez, you're scary. Hey! Hey! Clowns, how you guys? Ah, gee, you're not scary at all.
You keep telling yourself that, Redneck.
Hey, no. Why would you jump out at me like that? Stop! No! Oh, not my feet! Let's get out of here! All right, now as my reward for being so brave in the haunted house, I'm gonna get to be able to scare people myself. And you're gonna put some makeup on me?
Just a little bit.
A little bit, okay.
And
I'm gonna team up with my old arch nemesis, pressurized air, and we're gonna scare some people.
I'm sweating. What?
All right, so my first experience as a scarer. Man, those wrinkles on my forehead, are those real or paint? I don't remember. Anyways, my first experience as a scarer in a haunted house. It's been a lot of fun, and I was told that I have a very creepy laugh, which, you know, I've always been a little creepy. But anyways, this has been an amazing experience, being able to tour the haunted house, being able to experience the scares of the haunted house. Maybe a little scarier if I hadn't have brought a spotlight with me, but that's beside the point. And then of course, very fun scaring innocent people. Appreciate you guys watching. And then I want to give a huge shout out to the folks here at Ark Mortis. It's been amazing. Everyone here has been awesome and very hospitable. Oh, if you'd like to see other haunted houses I've been to, as well as their roadside attractions, strange things, museums, and other fun places, check down in the description. There's an interactive map that'll show you where I've been, and you can tell me where to go. If you'd like to support the channel, consider buying a t-shirt, consider contributing on Patreon. I send out postcards to donors of $3 or more. I've got to get this stuff off my face somehow, and now this one's in the bag.